welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be a full face using e.l.f. products. I am so happy and excited because I've been waiting for this video for a while now. I bought my products a while back and I've been waiting to just film this video out for you guys. e.l.f. has definitely stepped up their games from when they first started their brand. I'm just so happy that e.l.f. is still, putting out some great products and still at a very affordable price. I was actually really impressed with some of these products that I'm going to be using today. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then you know the drill. Keep on watching. So I have my eyes primed. I am going to start off with the eyes and use this bite-size eyeshadow pumpkin pie palette, and it's a cute little palette that e.l.f. just dropped. I think e.l.f. just dropped like a bunch of these cute little palettes, and I specifically chose this one. I know they have like some berry shades and some other colors, but yeah, I specifically chose this one. And I also have this little glitter eyeshadow that I want to try out from e.l.f. And this is the, what is this? This is the glitter eyeshadow in the shade Flirty Birdie. So I know the colors are a little simple and like super cute, but the pan size are decent, and I'm using this little glitter eyeshadow as well, so I'm going to be incorporating them both together. I will be using these shimmers in here, but I'm going to swatch it for you guys. So this is the darker brown shade. So you guys can see that, like, how nice is that? This is more of the copper shade. It's actually very pigmented. I'm really surprised. Go in with this lighter brown shade over here, and this is going on into the crease. I'm going in with the darker brown shade. This is going on the outer corners as well as like towards the inner corner. I feel like you just have to put a little bit more color onto the brush to really get the pigment to show up. But it's still showing up, so it's not too bad. Back into the crease shade, darken it up a little bit. Move on to this glitter eyeshadow. Everybody's coming out with this type of glitter eyeshadow now. I know Stila was the first one to ever like really introduce this type of glitter eyeshadow, so I'm going to see if this is like a dupe for that, or like what is the deal with this. So I'm just going to put that in the middle part, the part that I didn't apply any colors yet. It's not too bad. It's nice. Tap. Going to blend the outer part here a little bit more seamlessly. Let's just move on to the face. I am going into primer. This is the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. I've been really interested in trying out their putty primers. I'm just going to dip my hand into this. I have like two other ones. So this is the luminous one. They also have the matte one and the poreless one. But since I am more of a luminous type person, I went for the luminous primer. I'm really interested. There's some really like high reviews on these primer, so I'm really excited. I am going with e.l.f.'s Flawless Finish Foundation, and I got it in the shade Vanilla. It's light with golden undertones. Okay, so it's not, shade is not too bad at all. Has a nice scent to it as well. And for the concealer, this is no stranger to my videos. This is the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Sand. I already know how this performs, and I love it. It's like one of my holy grails. Concealer next to the Too Faced one. Right, moving on to the bronzer. This is the e.l.f. Prime Infused Bronzer. I'm using this Almar Cosmetics bronzer brush, and I actually really like this brush so much. Like, it just applies so easily. So let's just see how it is. So you see that it just applies so easily. Okay, like it's showing up. Too bad at all. I just like literally tap it onto the skin and it just, you know, shows up. So it's really easy to apply with this brush. Next one, we are going into the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush. So I'm really excited for these primer infused products. I didn't really know that they have these products. And that is pretty pigmented. Wow. I'm going to finish off the eyes with the same colors. I did buy an eyeliner from e.l.f., but I think I lost it, so I'm just going in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner and apply a wing liner onto my eyes. I'm going to apply lashes, and this is the e.l.f. Luxe Lash Kit Winged and Polished. I've used it once before and I really like it, so. Okay, let's move on to highlighter. I have this e.l.f. highlighter. This is the shade White Gold. And I did try this one out before and I'm not really sure how I feel about it yet. So let's just go ahead and apply it again. Really do like this cute design right here. Like, that's really cute. This is a pretty subtle shade. But I feel like I have to really scrape the highlighter to even have some color payoff. Apply a little bit of that highlighter on the inner corners. I'm going to finish off with a lip. The lip I'm going in with Seriously Satin Lipstick in the shade Nectar. It's like a nice orange shade. It's actually pretty pigmented, so it's not too bad. It's really nice. And then ending with the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. Ooh. Ooh, that was pretty strong. Guys, and this concludes the makeup look. I am really actually happy with a lot of these products. I really like mostly everything. I think the only thing that I didn't really like as much was the highlighter, because I'm more into the blinding highlights, and I feel like that one's a little bit subtle. You could definitely build it up as I did, but like I don't really want to have to do that to a product. I really don't want to have to like really scrape it. Other than that, I really like everything else. I'm really happy with the way everything turned out. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of my family here on YouTube. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!